Buying the wrong extension ladder can be dangerous. Today, I'll show you the best extension ladders that combine safety, strength, and reliability. Whether you're a homeowner tackling weekend projects or a pro working at height every day, choosing the right extension ladder matters. In this video, we've researched and compared the top extension ladders based on durability, weight capacity, material, and real-world performance to help you make the safest choice. From lightweight aluminum to heavy-duty fiberglass options, we'll break down what makes each ladder stand out and who it's best for. All product links are in the description below, so you can easily check current prices and details. Designed for demanding jobs, this ladder focuses heavily on safety, durability, and professional-grade performance. The Louisville 16-foot extension ladder is built from non-conductive fiberglass, making it ideal for electrical, utility, and residential work where safety is critical. It features a strong 300-pound load capacity and is rated ANSI Type 1AA, giving users confidence when working at height. The MaxLock rung lock system is engineered from advanced polymer and feels solid and secure during extension. Its patented quick latch system makes extending and locking the ladder intuitive and fast. Fully serrated D-shaped rungs provide excellent slip resistance, even in dusty or wet conditions. Steel swivel safety shoes with a metal shield adapt well to uneven ground, improving stability. At around 30 pounds, it feels sturdy but can be challenging for some users to maneuver, especially during transport. Customers consistently praise its stability and value, noting that it feels rock solid once positioned. While most users find it durable, a few report fiberglass splintering over time. Overall, it's a dependable ladder designed for serious work environments where strength and safety matter most. Compact storage and modern safety features make this ladder appealing for both indoor and outdoor use. The SOCTONE telescoping ladder uses a high-quality aluminum alloy frame that resists rust, corrosion, and temperature extremes while supporting up to 330 pounds. Its standout feature is the upgraded triangle stabilizer system, which significantly reduces wobble and improves overall balance compared to similar telescoping ladders. Smart locking pins secure each rung and allow the ladder to retract smoothly and slowly, helping prevent sudden drops or pinched fingers. With a maximum height of nearly 12.5 feet, it works well for attic access, RV entry, roof repairs, and light maintenance. When fully retracted, the ladder compresses to a compact size that fits easily in a car trunk or small storage space. Customers appreciate its versatility and ease of maneuvering around the home. While many find it reasonably lightweight, some users feel it could be lighter for frequent carrying. Slip resistance receives mixed feedback depending on surface conditions. Overall, it's a practical, space-saving ladder with thoughtful safety improvements and solid everyday performance. Versatility is the main strength of this ladder, offering multiple configurations in one durable unit. The Little Giant Dark Horse 17-foot ladder converts into an A-frame, extension, 90-degree, staircase, or trestle and plank setup, making it extremely adaptable for different tasks. Constructed from non-conductive fiberglass, it's well-suited for electrical and professional job sites. The high-vis green color improves visibility, reducing accidental contact while in use. A wide flared base increases side-to-side stability, helping prevent tip-overs during overreaching. Rated Type 1A, it supports up to 300 pounds and meets OSHA and ANSI safety standards. The ladder feels solid and well-balanced, though at over 30 pounds, it is heavier than standard household ladders. Customers consistently praise its build quality, smooth adjustment system, and reliable locking mechanisms. Many users appreciate that one ladder can replace several others, saving space and money long-term. Some feel the price is high, but most agree the durability and flexibility justify the cost. It's a premium choice for professionals and homeowners who want maximum functionality from a single ladder. Built with extra thickness for improved safety, this ladder emphasizes strength without sacrificing flexibility. The LANBITOU 14-feet multi-position ladder is constructed from reinforced aluminum with a 2 mm thickness, making it sturdier than many comparable models. It easily converts into multiple configurations, including A-frame, extension, stair, and folding ladder setups, allowing it to handle a wide range of household and outdoor tasks. Two anti-slip balance bars enhance ground stability, while the mesh-style steps provide better grip underfoot. Soft protective pads prevent damage to floors and walls, making it suitable for indoor use. The ladder meets EN 131 and ANSI safety standards and supports up to 300 pounds, with tested loads far exceeding normal use. Despite its strength, it folds down to a slim profile for convenient storage. Customers frequently highlight its solid feel and easy setup, noting that it remains stable during use. Many consider it excellent value for money given its durability and versatility. Overall, it's a well-rounded ladder that balances safety, adaptability, and long-term reliability. This ladder combines extended reach with multifunction flexibility in a compact, foldable design. The LEVELEVE 22-foot extension ladder is made from industrial-grade aluminum alloy with thickened tubing and anti-oxidation treatment for long-term durability. It supports up to 330 pounds and features reinforced W-shaped non-slip steps for better footing. 8 support points and dual balance rods improve stability when fully extended, while polished metal edges and protective plastic components reduce injury risk. Despite reaching up to 22 feet, the ladder weighs about 38 pounds and includes rollers on the support rods for easier transport. Its ability to convert into stepladder, A-frame, right-angle ladder, or scaffold makes it suitable for both indoor and outdoor projects. Customer feedback is mixed regarding stability at full extension, with some users reporting creaking or movement. Others praise its lightweight feel and multiple configurations. Installation experiences vary, particularly with plastic components. Overall, it offers impressive versatility and height, but careful setup and surface placement are essential for optimal safety. Portability and precise height adjustment define this ladder's design philosophy. The RIKADE telescoping ladder uses high-strength 6063 aluminum alloy tubing, offering durability while supporting up to 330 pounds. Each rung features an independent locking mechanism, allowing users to adjust the height section by section and reducing the risk of sudden collapse. This design also helps prevent finger pinching during retraction. The ladder's telescoping structure makes it easy to store under beds, in closets, or in vehicles, making it ideal for apartments, condos, and mobile use. A built-in handrail at the bottom improves carrying comfort, while its compact footprint enhances portability. Customers frequently praise its solid construction, smooth operation, and attention to detail. Many find it convenient for household projects, RV use, and outdoor tasks like roof access. Some users note the weight is noticeable but manageable given its strength. Overall, it's a well-built telescoping ladder focused on safety, flexibility, and easy storage for users with limited space. Designed for professionals and homeowners alike, this ladder balances compact storage with job site capability. The DIMKO 12.5-foot telescoping ladder is made from corrosion-resistant aluminum alloy and supports up to 330 pounds. Each rung has an intelligent locking mechanism that retracts slowly and smoothly, improving safety and control. The independent locking system allows precise height adjustment, making it suitable for roofing, electrical work, HVAC installs, and general maintenance. When fully extended, it reaches 12.5 feet, yet retracts into a compact form that's easy to carry or store in tight spaces. Plastic components are reinforced to handle heavy loads without compromising stability. Customers appreciate its portability, especially for RVs and small garages, and praise its overall functionality. However, opinions vary on weight and sturdiness, with some users experiencing issues with the locking mechanism over time. Despite mixed feedback, many find it reliable for occasional and professional use. It's a practical telescoping ladder for users who need height flexibility without sacrificing storage convenience. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the description below for links to the best ladders.